So no, I think Indian economy again outperformed its peers, not just this year, but the last previous few years. And you see that growth has consistently remained over 6%, and we believe this will continue in 2024 and 2025 as well. Several factors. India, unlike many other countries like Brazil and others, India, although inflation was relatively high, didn't have to raise rates as much, and inflation has come down quite a bit since our last report, and that has allowed government to sustain the fiscal support that it needed. We didn't see significant fiscal adjustments or fiscal sort of retrenchment in India. In fact, fiscal support is still pretty strong, I would say.
The United Nations projects India's economic growth at 6.2% in 2024, driven by robust domestic demand, manufacturing and service sectors, according to the UN World Economic Situation and Prospects 2024 report. South Asia's GDP is expected to increase by 5.2%, with India leading as the fastest growing large economy globally. The report highlights consistent growth trend, with India's GDP projected to raise to 6.6% in 2025. Despite concerns about erratic rainfall affecting agriculture, the economy is expected to remain strong, supported by resilient private consumption and robust private investment. The chief of the Global Economic Division Monitoring Branch expressed optimism about India's growth outlook, emphasizing sustained economic growth above 6% in 2024 and 2025. The director cites factors like stable household spending, improved employment, and the government's ability to maintain fiscal support. However, risks include climate change impacting largely farm-based economy, potential shocks to agricultural production, and the vulnerability of food and fuel prices. The report mentioned the Reserve Bank of India's cautious approach to financial market opening and implementation of risk management system. In South Asia, the labor market situation improved in 2023 with increased labor force participation and declining unemployment rates, particularly in rural areas. The global economic outlook, as per the UN, projects a slowdown from 2.7% in 2023 to 2.4% in 2024, citing challenges like persistently higher interest rates, conflicts, sluggish international trade, and climate disasters. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres emphasizes the need for bold investment in 2024 to derive sustainable development and climate action.